Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the clip and applying the filter. First, duplicate or nest the clip so you have an untouched backup. This protects your original audio. Next, select the duplicate and open the effects panel, search for denoise or adaptive noise reduction, and drag it onto the clip. Once applied, open Effect Controls. You're now ready to make initial adjustments, because the default setting isn't tailored to your recording and you need to hear what changes. Now adjust parameters to reduce noise without harming voice clarity. Start with reduction around 6 to 12 dB. That gives a noticeable cut while preserving speech. Increase FFT size or smoothing to reduce musical noise and flutter, but be careful. Higher values can soften transients. Use the bypass toggle frequently to compare processed versus original audio. This helps you hear if you're overprocessing. Make small, incremental changes and play a representative section each time to confirm improvement. Finish by automating and validating your settings. If noise varies, keyframe the reduction or wet/dry mix so quieter parts get more treatment and loud parts stay natural. Once satisfied, export a short test clip to check on different speakers or headphones. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce the overall noise reduction and increase smoothing or FFT size. This trade-off often removes artifacts at the cost of a bit more residual noise. Make sure to keep the backup original in case you need to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.